If your DVR recordings are missing on YouTube TV, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by sync problems, app glitches, or network issues. Here's how to fix it quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can prevent DVR recordings from loading. Restart your router, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network, or move closer to your router for better stability. Step 2. Restart the YouTube TV app. Close the app completely and open it again. On mobile devices, swipe it away from the recent apps list. On smart TVs, Roku, or Fire Stick, return to the home screen and relaunch the app. This refreshes your DVR library and often brings recordings back. Step 3. Check your home area and account settings. Open your profile inside YouTube TV. Go to Settings, then Area. Make sure you're in the correct home area. If your device is in travel mode or on a different network, some DVR recordings may not appear until you connect to your home Wi-Fi again. Step 4. Clear the app cache. If DVR content is still missing, clear the app's cache. On Android TV or Fire Stick, go to Settings, open Apps, select YouTube TV, and clear the cache. On Roku, use the hidden cache reset sequence. Home button 5 times, up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. On Apple TV or iPhone, delete the YouTube TV app and reinstall it. This removes corrupted temporary files that can hide your recordings. Step 5. Update the YouTube TV app. Open your device's app store and check for updates. Outdated versions can prevent the DVR library from loading correctly. Once these steps are done, your DVR recordings should reappear and sync normally. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.